Over 50 million people in and around the province of Hubei, China, have been banned from traveling as the city of Wuhan remains on lockdown due to the outbreak of the coronavirus. Cases of the virus have since been detected in several countries, prompting other nations to implement measures. And Namibia is no exception, as the Ministry of Health has deployed staff that will screen travelers entering the country.
At the ports of entry, staff members were deployed already to do screening. So there is a brief questionnaire, because people, when they travel, will not have that time to complete long questionnaires, but simple questions are asked. Have you traveled, or are you coming from any of these countries? Are you having fever or any signs? And then if a person is reporting that is feverish or has traveled, further screening is done to that person, the temperature. And as they are arriving, temperatures are taken, and whoever is feverish or having raised temperature is also further interviewed and also screened. And if we identify a case, then we stand ready to handle that case at this present moment. I'm talking about Hosea Kutako, where most of the people come. Eros, will be ready soon. And then the others are like Walfish Bay, where direct flights are coming in the port of Walfish Bay. So all the ports. So the ministry already communicated, and they are getting ready to have things in place.
The Chinese embassy in Namibia says its country is battling to bring the situation that it described as serious under control. There is currently no cure for the virus, and 100 people have died since December last year. But the embassy says 60 lives have also been saved, as the number of confirmed cases now rises to above 4,000. According to the Chinese embassy in Namibia, over 400 Namibians are currently living in China, 40 of whom are students living in the Wuhan city, the epicenter of the epidemic.
The Chinese government has attached great importance in dealing with the epidemic. Yesterday, Chinese Premier Li Keqiang, on behalf of the Chinese President Xi Jinping, visited Wuhan, the epicenter of the epidemic. He went there to direct the work of coping with the epidemic. And all the Chinese people, they are now following the direction of the government to stay at home, to conduct self-quarantine. I'd like to emphasize that the increasing of the infectious cases are not due to the actual increase of the people infected by the virus. It is to a large degree due to the increasing application of the testing kit. So we are confident that this epidemic will be contained in a short time. Until now, all the Namibians, they are safe now in China.
Yang Chuan is the deputy head of mission at the Chinese embassy in Namibia. He says his government is working closely with other states and international organizations to contain the outbreak. The Ministry of Health says that the virus could have been transmitted from animals, but the embassy says that the information has still not been verified, but says that it could have come from bats or from a local fish market in Wuhan city. Reporting for Today on One, I'm Joseph Shifeni.